In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it and let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by holding your display and tapping on Widgets at the bottom left corner. Now look for Google app, and when you find it, click on it. Scroll again, hold search bar widget, place it wherever you want to, and when you're ready, let go. Then tap on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!